Asian fishermen have long been known for their fishing skills, and one of the most widely used methods is longline fishing. This is an effective commercial fishing technique, especially for large fish such as swordfish and tuna, two fish species with high economic value and popular in the global market. This method not only demonstrates human ingenuity in exploiting marine resources, but also reflects a deep understanding of fish behavior and natural ocean conditions. To better understand how Asian fishermen use longline to catch swordfish and tuna, we will explore the entire process, from preparing the equipment, dropping the line, pulling the fish, to the challenges and strategies to optimize the catch. First, imagine a fishing boat drifting in the middle of a vast ocean. On board, fishermen are busy preparing a line, a rope tens of kilometers long, usually made of durable materials such as nylon or polyethylene to withstand the tremendous pulling force of large fish. This main line is the backbone of the entire long-line fishing system. Attached to the main line are hundreds, even thousands of smaller branch lines, each 10 to 30 meters long, arranged about 30 to 50 meters apart. On each branch line is a sharp hook, baited to attract swordfish and tuna. The bait is usually fresh squid or small fish, the favorite food of these two fish species. Sometimes, fishermen apply glowing devices to the bait to increase its attractiveness, especially in low light conditions such as at night or at great depths. The fishing process begins when the ship slowly lowers the main line to the sea surface. Lines are not just cast randomly, but often follow a straight line or a specific pattern, depending on the seabed topography and the location of schools of fish. To determine exactly where to cast, modern Asian fishermen often use advanced technologies such as sonar and satellite positioning devices. These devices help them detect schools of swordfish or tuna moving hundreds of meters below the surface. For example, swordfish usually live at depths of 200 to 600 meters, while tuna, including species such as bluefin, yellowfin and albacore, usually appear at depths of 100 to 400 meters. Adjusting the depth of the branch line is an important skill, requiring fishermen to understand the biology of each fish species to ensure that the hook is placed in the right place.
นี่มันจุดลายนะก็เราจะพอ
Once the line is cast,
นี่มัน
the
ก็พา
boat
ไปโด
will
น
slow down or anchor, letting the line drift with the current,
วันเอง
creating a giant net under the ocean. This is when the fishermen have to wait patiently. Swordfish and tuna are fierce predators, often attracted by the movement of the bait.
เราเคยน่าจะเคย
When they bite, the hook will be firmly attached to their mouths or bodies, and the battle between man and fish begins. However, the fisherman cannot pull the line immediately. A line tens of kilometers long with hundreds of fish hooked is a huge mass, requiring mechanical strength to retrieve. On modern fishing boats, fishermen use winches or tractors to slowly reel the main line back onto the boat. This process can take hours, especially when they catch giant swordfish weighing up to 650 kilograms or bluefin tuna weighing hundreds of kg. When the line is pulled up, the fishermen will check each branch line to see if any fish are hooked. If they are lucky, they will see a 4.5-meter long swordfish with its distinctive sword nose struggling, or a bluefin tuna glistening silver in the sunlight. Removing the fish from the hook requires careful handling to avoid damaging the flesh, an important factor affecting its commercial value.
เขาที่
Once
มอนิ
removed,
เตอร์ต้องให้อัพเลย
the fish are quickly transferred to ice boxes on board for storage at low temperatures, keeping the flesh fresh during the journey back to shore. Long-line fishing is more than just casting a line and pulling in a fish. It requires a deep understanding of the behavior of swordfish and tuna. For example, swordfish are solitary predators that typically roam the deep, warm waters of the ocean, while tuna prefer to live in schools and are more active in the water layers closer to the surface. Therefore, fishermen must be flexible in adjusting their tactics depending on the fish they are targeting. Another factor to consider is the time of day. Both swordfish and tuna are most active at night. or during transitional times like dawn and dusk. So
Rồi nhờ,
fishermen
khơi đi.
often cast their lines in the evening and start pulling in the early morning to maximize their chances of catching fish. However, things don't always go smoothly. One of the biggest challenges with long-line fishing is catching unwanted species, such as sea turtles, sharks, or